Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off autoplay videos on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off autoplay videos on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button at the bottom right and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Just above my notes, tap on settings. Now over here we'll be required to tap on the media option available for us, which is just below the calls and messages. Tap on media. And now in order to turn off autoplay videos on Viber, you can see guys at the second last option where it says autoplay videos, and it also says allow videos to play automatically once downloaded on your chat. Make sure to untick that option by tapping on the right side of the option where it says autoplay videos, and that tick mark on Viber will be unticked. And with that being done guys, your autoplaying videos on Viber chats will stop to autoplay itself. And with that being done guys, this is how you will be able to turn off autoplay videos on Viber. And there guys, this is how to stop autoplay videos on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.